In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell items on the Steam community market. First things first, open up your Steam application. Once you've got the app running, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not already signed in, simply click on the login button. This will bring you to a screen where you'll need to enter your account name and password. Make sure you enter them carefully to avoid any issues logging in. Once you've done that, click on sign in to access your Steam account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. From here, direct your attention to the upper section of the screen where you'll see your profile name. Give it a click to expand the options menu. Among these options, you'll spot inventory. Go ahead and select it. This action will take you into your personal inventory space where all your Steam items are stored. Once inside your inventory, if you happen to have an extensive collection of trading cards, don't worry. The next step involves managing these cards. Take your time to go through the trading cards one by one. This may seem a bit tedious, but it's crucial to determine which cards you want to put on the market. When you're ready to sell a card, click on the sell button next to it. Selling items on Steam requires setting a price, so after clicking sell, you'll need to enter the amount you'd like for the card in the buyer pays field. Here, it's a good idea to check current market prices for similar cards to ensure you're setting a competitive price. Once you've decided on a price, hit OK, put it up for sale to list your trading card on the market. To check on your listings and see how they're doing, navigate over to the Community tab. Under this tab, you'll find an option labeled Market. Clicking here will bring up a comprehensive view of all your current listings, providing you with a snapshot of what's on sale, how many items are available, and details like selling prices and buyer activities. Keep an eye on this area if you're actively selling items, as it gives valuable insights into your sales progress and potential adjustments you might need to make to your pricing strategy. And there you have it, a straightforward process to sell items on the Steam community market. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Steam inventory and potentially earn some extra funds from your gaming collections. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.